Hello friends, my name is Rohit, and in this video tutorial I will show you how we will export a simple product from Akeneo to Magento store. Okay, so I'll be using the demo. All the links will be shared in the description. So first you need to click this, go to your Akeneo admin panel, and we'll quickly create a simple test product. So make sure you have already configured all these settings and options, and all the attributes are already mapped and everything. So let's quickly create a simple product. So go to products and then click here product, then select a family. I'll be choosing t-shirts and enter the SKU. So the product is created. Now you need to enter the information. I'll just quickly add just random information for the video. Special price 300, date, let's say this, name, white t-shirt. I'll add something like and this is the short info. Save title, meta title, same thing. Then you can also add meta keywords also separated by comma. This will be your URL. Here you can also enter some meta description also. You can also enter the quantity, contact information if you have, like, this is basically a general attribute, the text. Now you can also add some images. This is also a select type attribute which I have already created. If you want to add some option, you can also add this. This is also another attribute. So I write then you can enter the price. Now everything looks good. Okay, now click save. Now select category. Let's select clothes. You can also select multiple categories as well. Now also you can add information for other languages as well. So if you have like multiple language views in your Magento store, you can use this feature as well. So here I will be entering the other language info. So this is also for the testing, so please don't. So okay, I have quickly added all the information. So here basically you have to enter the translated this language information. So I'm just adding this for the testing purpose. So click save. Now we'll go to the export. We will create an export profile. Select. Now you can quickly find like there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 different type of job profiles, but in this when you go to export job, all the things will be exported. So if you want to export like only products, you can use this. If you want to export categories, you can use this. But if you want to export everything, then use this. Now I set the label for export. You also need to enter the code. This can be anything. Okay, click save. Now go to content, select channel, which is correct, select the locales for which you the particular line information will be sent. Now here you can filter products, because if you don't want to export all the products, you can select which particular products you want to export using various filters. You can also use the SKU. So I just want to export this, so I'll enter this. And here you can mention if you have like 2 or 3 Magento stores, you can enter the other Magento store credential, so that this product will be exported to this Magento store. But if you have already entered the credential in the model conversion, then you don't require to enter these again. Okay, so now click save. Now click export now. You can see all the execution information, like it will be exporting categories, exporting attributes, options, families. So it will take like 2-5 minutes. So let's wait for a while. Okay, the products and product process started. Okay, it's now completed. Now let me go to the Magento admin panel and refresh this page. Okay, product is now exported into Magento. Now I also check the storefront as well. This is the category, and here's the product. Titles, special price, regular price, all the images. This is the short description. SEO title is also there. Then you have also additional attributes, which I enter the information. Now let's go to the backend. Okay, so quantity is there, weight is there, description, images already there. All the SEO information is already there, keyword, description, the title, and here are the attributes. So okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any further questions, please write us a mail at support@webkul.com. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you. Goodbye.